Hello everyone! So we have a little bit of a different setup today because I'm just trying to find a space that I feel more comfortable in, because I feel like the last couple of videos I feel like really rigid and I don't feel free to just talk. We're going to test it today, we're going to see how it goes. I actually filmed an unboxing video a few weeks ago and then I realised that the camera that I was filming on, the file size was so incredibly big it just wouldn't go on my laptop. And then the files magically disappeared, so that video went to waste. That's why it's been so long. It's not that I haven't been filming, it's that I messed up. We are back with another unboxing try-on haul, so it's not all lost. I do post way more frequently on Instagram. In fact, I post 3 times a day, Monday to Saturday. So if you are following me on here and you feel like I don't post enough, go follow me over there, because let me tell you, you're gonna be like, girl, relax. There's quite a fun story behind this unboxing. So basically, whilst I was in Dubai, I did a Squatwolf campaign, which was my first ever actual professional thing. Like, all the content I create is just me and the camera. There is no one else here. So the video that I had to do was very intense because it was me speaking to the camera, but there were other people there. And let me tell you, I froze up so many times. I was literally sat on my phone like, wait, I need to remember what I have to say here. As a thank you, I got to pick 6 items, any items that I wanted from the website. This has been sat in my room for a week. Do you understand the level of willpower I needed to not open this and just try it all on? But we're here, we're going to open it together. I hope you enjoy, and as always, there will be a try on right at the end of the video. Let's get into it. And don't worry, this channel is not just going to be filled with me unboxing things and trying them on. I'm also filming a Q&A, and I'm also going to be filming some workout videos and just general advice. So do not worry, it's not just going to be me here every single month with a package and unboxing it. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna start off boring and save the best till last. Let's just get the boring stuff out of the way, shall we? This is just some socks. I have the white Squatwolf socks, but I do not have them, I don't have them in black. So I literally just got these socks in black as well, because they are super comfortable, they're the perfect length, and you can never have too many pairs of gym socks. Okay, I'm really fussy when it comes to gym bras, and I think I said that in the last video as well. But this I thought was really, really cool. So it doesn't help that I'm actually wearing black, because if I do this, you can't see anything. I'll try and put it to the side. Oh, there we go. This is so much better. This is a high neck sports bra. We are doing a full coverage front because I really liked the mesh bead that goes down. And then it has, I would like to say orange, but it's kind of like an orangey yellow logo on the side. At the back, this is what I really like, because I find that a lot of backless style bras also have no coverage at the front, and it's like, I cannot wear these in the gym. I'll bend over and everything will fall out. You can see that it has a thick strap, so you know that you are fully secured, but it's also going to reveal all the muscles that you want to show off when you're training your back. So I feel like this, when I saw it on the website, is like a perfect balance between feeling secure but also getting to flex a little bit, you know? This I'm really, really excited for. I don't wear shorts. It's a very, very rare scenario that I would be wearing shorts. I don't feel the most confident when I have my arms out or I have my legs out, so this was a risky choice for me, but I'm trying to push myself outside of my comfort zone, especially because I am moving to Dubai in May. It's gonna be hot. I cannot be wearing long sleeves, long leggings all the time, because I will literally die from the heat. It's a unitard. I really like that it's got this like burnt orange color at the top, and then it has the Squatwolf logo here, but it's slightly retro. It has this really nice ribbing on the side here as well, which means it's not going to be extremely tight. It's not low at the front. It's got a built-in bra, so you know that you are secure. The material as well is made for working out. It's made for sweating in. Back as well goes slightly down on the back. We will see what this looks like on. 2024 is the year that we try new things, so I'm really excited for this one. We're going to show you some colour now before we get back to the black. This is from the same collection. It's also the same t-shirt in a different colour because I really like the shape. This is a crop t-shirt that has built-in bras, so I feel like that's a good compromise for me. I'm not going full out bra, but it's also appropriate for the hot weather. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is like a grape. This is a Windsor grape. top, and then it has again the retro style branding at the back. And if I turn it inside out, you can see the built-in bra. I take risks when I order things because if I like it online, I will order it in a different color. It has the grape color going around with a little bit of grey on the paneling here. All the tops that I've bought are in a size medium. I did get the unitard in a size small, so we will see how that goes. Last but not least, I bought a tracksuit bottom. Now, I know I buy a lot of tracksuits, but in my head, I thought, okay, if I get a black sports bra, I can match it with a black baggy tracksuit bottom. I got these in a size small because usually with tracksuits, they are always oversized and I don't like them to be extremely oversized. So we will see how this looks on. They're very simple, black classic joggers, but I just love the quality of Squatwolf. So this is the unitard. I really like it. I like that the shorts are not too short. I don't really feel comfortable wearing those ones that are like really short. This is what it looks like from the back. I think it is a really flattering unitard. I think I would actually wear this to the gym, so I'm really happy with this because this is the one that I was a little bit nervous about. I hope that this is in focus, but this is the logo that I was talking about. It's slightly different to what it usually looks like. I hope you can see it because my camera doesn't automatically focus, so I'm trying to manually do it, but it's a little bit difficult when you're standing this far away. Next up, we're going to try the joggers with all the different tops that I bought. And I'm also cringing so much because can you see me crouching down in the reflection there? I'm giving myself the ick. This is what the first sports bra looks like with the tracksuit bottom. In hindsight, I think I should have got this in a size up. Just usually they're very oversized, whereas this one is a little bit tighter. It don't really have that much range of motion, but I love the sports bra. And it looks nice on the back as well. If you saw my last Squatwolf video, those were size smalls and they were much bigger. So it's always hard to judge when you're buying things online of how it's going to fit. But I love this sports bra. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go put the other t-shirts on now. This is the grape t-shirt that I got. I love this colour. I don't think I have anything in this colour in my wardrobe. I think it's so flattering. I love it. Last but certainly not least is the same t-shirt but in this yellow colour. I don't own anything in this colour really. I promise that the next time you see me in video, it's not going to be me unboxing something, it's going to be me doing something. So I'll either be in the gym, doing a daily vlog, having a chat about something else. But if you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what your favourite piece was. And if you are new here, please remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in a video very soon.